Brothers back there?
Yep.
Oh.
Hello, everyone. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together we are Backyard Musings, but we are in the front yard today.
Yeah.
Because we have missionaries in the back playing volleyball. It's their P-Day today.
And this is definitely not a advertisement for Ford.
No.
They're not a sponsor.
No, it's not. But the computer's like almost in the garage, and we're like in front of the garage. So it's the front yard. We're the Science and Technology channel. So we're switching it up today.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
We're going to talk backwards because we're in the front yard. So.
Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST researchers have discovered a molecular switch that can revert cancer cells back to normal by capturing the critical transition state before full cancer development. Using a computational gene network model based on single-cell RNA sequencing, they identified key molecular mechanisms behind cancer reversion. The results of this study, conducted by KAIST Dr. Dongkwan Shin, currently at the National Cancer Center, Dr. Jongryo Gong, and doctoral student Seuyun D. Jong. I wonder if they're related.
I don't know.
Dr. Jongryo Gong?
Oh, I don't know.
That's a first and last name. Okay.
Yeah.
With a research team at Seoul National University that provided the organoids, in vitro cultured tissues from colon cancer patients, were published as an online paper in the international journal Advanced Science. Would you like to know more about this cancer breakthrough?
This is very cool.
Yeah.
Professor Kwang Hyung Cho's research team has recently gained recognition for developing an innovative cancer reversal treatment technology that does not kill cancer cells, but instead alters their characteristics, restoring them to a state similar to normal cells.
Wow.
Amazing.
That is interesting.
Yeah. This time, they have successfully uncovered for the first time a molecular switch hidden within the genetic network that can induce cancer reversal at the precise moment when normal cells transform into cancer cells.
Now check this out.
That is cool.
Let's say your face is burned, right? Take these whatever nanites or whatever they are that they're experimenting with, and your skin goes back to normal. Would that be crazy?
It would be. That's almost like there was a movie about that kind of stuff where you could repair damaged.
You sure it wasn't a documentary?
Star Wars, was Star Wars?
Yeah, Star Wars. They put them in the tank.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. KAIST President Hwang Hyung Lee announced on February 5th that Professor Cho's team from the Department of Bio and Brain Engineering has successfully developed a fundamental technology to detect and analyze the critical transition phase when normal cells become cancerous. This breakthrough has led to the discovery of a molecular switch capable of reverting cancer cells back to their normal state.
A critical transition is a phenomenon in which a sudden change in state occurs at a specific point in time, like water changing into steam at 100 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is. What is that, about 360, 370 for Fahrenheit?
Change, yeah. Doesn't water change like boiling water changes to steam?
It eventually will, yeah. This critical transition phenomenon also occurs in the process in which normal cells change into cancer cells at a specific point in time due to the accumulation of genetic and epigenetic changes. The research team discovered that normal cells can enter an unstable critical transition state where normal cells and cancer cells coexist just before they change into cancer cells during tumorigenesis, the production of or development of tumors. And analyzing this critical transition state using a systems biology method to develop a cancer reversal molecular switch identification technology. Wow. I'm surprised I can even say that.
Way beyond me, man.
I don't have even idea what
We're
that
not
means.
The experts.
That can reverse the cancerization process. It's crazy. This is amazing.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I would hope that
they probably use mice.
I would hope that they're communicating this all over the place. They then applied this to colon cancer cells and confirmed through molecular cell experiments that cancer cells can recover the characteristics of normal cells. And we all know that colon cancer is pretty deadly, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, unless you have a colonoscopy, you don't detect it.
Well, yeah, but I mean, if
The
you get
polys.
it, it's, I mean, what do? They start treating you, and then they start cutting, right? They
Yeah,
start removing
yeah,
stuff. So that's
yeah.
not good.
That's not good. This is an original technology that automatically infers a computer model of the genetic network that controls the critical transition of cancer development from single cell RNA sequencing data and systematically finds molecular switches for cancer reversion by simulation analysis. Oh, there, when we get into simulation, I kind of don't like that. I kind of don't like that
Well,
because it's based on a model, and there could be something wrong in the model, like the climate crisis
yeah, no,
zealots.
I get that.
It is expected that this technology will be applied to the development of reversion therapies for other cancers in the future. Professor Kwang Hyung Cho said, quote, "We have discovered a molecular switch that can revert the fate of cancer cells back to a normal state by capturing the moment of critical transition right before normal cells are changed into irreversible cancerous state." Quote, he continued. In particular, this study has revealed in detail at the genetic network level what changes occur within cells behind the process of cancer development, which has been considered a mystery until now, he emphasized. He continues, this is the first study to reveal that an important clue that can revert the fate of tumorigenesis is hidden at this very critical moment of change. I don't know, that sounds a lot of highfalutin words in there, but it looks like they're on the right track.
Sounds pretty positive.
Yeah.
Other than, like you say, the simulated uh,
Yeah, you
plan
got
or
to be
whatever that
careful
they
with
have.
that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hopefully
but
they're working on mice to,
right. And again, I would be willing to bet that people that have been given the long face, man, they just saying, hey, you've only got a few weeks or a few months to go.
get your
Let's
affairs
give
in
it a
order.
shot. Give it I'll be a mouse. Let me give it a shot.
But
What do
this
they got to
said
lose?
this said at the critical transition. So if the cells are already developed, I don't know that they can reverse the already cells developed. So this might have to be like a scan. You go in and then it reverses whatever's been started on you, whether it's lymph nodes or whatever. Huh.
Yeah.
We got to watch this. We're
Yeah.
definitely going to watch this.
We'll keep track of this.
Yeah,
So
definitely. All right,
thanks for joining us today.
switch. Thank you very much, folks.
Take care.